All right, example 5. So I go ahead and look at this example. And again, I would see that there's a quotient rule. Okay. The numerator would be a product rule. And then in order to take the derivative of both those functions, I'd have to do a chain. So it'd be a product with two chains. And then in order to take the derivative of the denominator, it'd be another chain rule. So it's a complicated function. I would recommend using logarithmic differentiation. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and start out by taking natural log on both sides. I am going to expand this. I would encourage you to pause it, the video, and expand it all on your own. Okay. So I hope you paused it. So now we have ln of, it's really x plus 1 to the 1/2. And then they're being multiplied, so plus ln of 2 minus x to the 5th, and then being divided, so minus ln of x plus 3 to the 7th. Then the next thing to make sure we're expanded all the way is to bring those exponents down in front. So we have ln of y equals 1/2 ln of x plus 1 plus 5 ln of 2 minus x minus 7 ln of x plus 3. Now that I've expanded it all the way, this is like our step 1. Step 2, we go ahead and take logarithmic differentiation. So derivative of ln of y is 1 over y, but we took a derivative of a y, so we must write dy dx equals. Now 1/2 is a constant, so it's going to stay. So we have 1/2 times. Now the derivative of ln of x plus 1. You guys are going to get pretty quick with taking derivatives of ln's when it's a chain rule. So it's 1 over the original inside times the derivative of the inside. Derivative of x is 1 plus 5 times our ln of 2 minus x derivative. So the derivative of ln is 1 over, so it would be 2 minus x. And then times the derivative of our inside. Be careful here. The derivative of 2 is 0. The derivative of negative x is negative 1. A lot of people have missed that negative. Then we got minus 7 times derivative of ln of x plus 3. So it'd be 1 over x plus 3 times 1. Okay, so I'm going to simplify the right-hand side. Actually, I'm going to multiply by y on both sides. It's like our step 3. I'm going to combine two steps. Times by y on both sides. And I'm going to simplify this fraction as I do that. So dy dx equals y. And then it would be 1 over 2 x plus 1. Okay. You can write 2x plus 2, but you guys have to make sure that this part stays in parentheses. Okay. Then minus, because I have 5 times negative 1, so 5 over 2 minus x. And then minus 7 over x plus 3. And then our final step, you guys, is to go ahead and put what y is equal to in the equation because your answer must be all in terms of x's. Okay. So what does y equal? This entire thing. So we're going to go ahead and just rewrite it with that in. So dy dx equals square root of x plus 1, 2 minus x to the 5th, all over x plus 3 to the 7th. So it's rewriting what y is. And now I'm going to rewrite this part in parentheses. And this whole thing is our derivative of example 5. Okay. And then that will do it for our notes for logarithmic differentiation. Just reach out if you have any questions. Otherwise, have a good day.